Mitrom and Bandhuvam, welcome to South Asia Maps. This is your presenter Dr. J. Reddy. At South Asia Maps, the education channel, I will bring you the varied, diverse topics of knowledge, Indology, history, geography, culture, and human ecology to the audience in the iconographic form. We are continuing our fascinating journey on RayalaSeema region, that is in Andhra Pradesh, that is in the Deccan region, South India, Dakshin Bharat, also called Ceded districts. It was ceded by Nizam Ali Khan around about 1800 AD by the Treaty of Secession to the British East India Company Bahadur as a part of a subsidiary alliance owing the arrears, and these ceded regions, ceded districts were added to the Madras Presidency, and for a lot of years. There are 5 districts in RayalaSeema, that is the Bellary, Kurnool, Kadapa, Anantapur and Chittoor. And previously we have identified around about 23 physiographic regions, geographic regions. If you know the physiographic, geographic regions, topography, the rivers, mountains and gorges, it will give you a deeper understanding how the society, history, culture is shaped. That is the unique part I cover, and this particular part is the ErraMala hills. These are the broadly called RayalaSeema upland regions, and we look at it in this physiographic part. And this is our RayalaSeema series, the land of Vijayanagara emperors, Rajarshi Krishna Deva Raya. It hosts the great sacred sites like Tirumala, Tirupati, Srisailam, Ahobilam, Kalahasti, so on. This is the ErraMala hills, the part 12. You can see here the remaining parts I also covered before, and so previously I posted on Tamil Nadu series. You can look at them in our YouTube channel, Tamil Nadu series, and of course this is the Punjab series, and this is the Punjab history and geography series, Kerala series, Maharashtra series, and Himachal Pradesh series I posted, and the Bengal Presidency. And if you are new to my education channel, Mitra and Bandhu, I have posted very immaculately prepared videos for you. You can take advantage of them and look at them. There are more than 410 or so as of July 2023 at our YouTube channel, South Asia Maps J. Reddy. What is the RayalaSeema? You have to have this broader idea. RayalaSeema uplands is the RayalaSeema peneplain, almost plain, much more broader undulating plateau. Here I missed to write the ErraMala region. These are all RayalaSeema uplands. And Chittoor hills also, parts of eastern Ghats. So these 4 are the RayalaSeema uplands. That is the peneplains, the plateaus, and the ErraMala ranges. The Chittoor hills. This is the Deccan region. When we say RayalaSeema in Telugu speaking districts, there are 4: Kurnool, Kadapa, Anantapur and Chittoor. Historically, Bellary was also part of RayalaSeema, ruled by the royals. Vijayanagara Empire was born there. The last Vijayanagara capital was at Vellore in the Arakkad region, so it is also historically part, but even the Tamil speaking area, Jangalpattu, Arakkad and Baramahal. And this the Payangat, low-lying areas are also part of historically RayalaSeema, even though they are Sarkar coastal areas more oriented towards the other Telugu speaking districts. What part we are looking, and you can see here, this is the upland, RayalaSeema upland region. This is the peneplain, almost plain. This is the plateau, demarcation being the Penna River, Pinakini River. Joins the Gangasagar near Nellore. This is the ErraMala ranges. The surrounding regions of ErraMala means reddish in nature. Other side is Nallamalas. You see, Nallamala means dark or black. Nallamalas separated by the Nandyal Valley, named after a bigger town there. A Kundu River Valley winds to this. Northern part is Bhavanashi. So ErraMala is surrounded, is a upland region, RayalaSeema upland, surrounded by Nandyal Valley, Handri River Basin, Tungabhadra River Basin, and this Raichur-Doab region one part. And ErraMala's other side will have the RayalaSeema peneplains and some parts of RayalaSeema Plateau. And we can say borders with almost Penna River in certain parts. So that is the ErraMala ranges. And what are the political divisions we are looking at? So we are looking about this. This is the Nallamala range. So you can see this exact border is Nallamala. So this is the Nandyal Valley. You can see Nandyal. So ErraMalas are predominantly Dhone Taluk part of this. You can see entire Dhone area is ErraMala range. Even so Banganpalli, some Panyam, they overlook to that. You can see Dhone and Partikonda. This is the parts we are looking. Emiganuru, Adoni, Allur, we discussed they are the peneplain. And peneplain continues in Uravakonda, Kalyandurg, Rayadurg, and so on. Kalyandurg, Rayadurg. So that is this is the valley region. I will show you the map that will make the things very crystal clear for you. So this is the ErraMala range. Whatever I talked about, what are the surrounding areas I have mentioned here. What are the western important places? What are the eastern important places? I will read here. Western part of this, the ErraMala, is Orvakallu town, Veldurti, Orvakallu, Dhone or Dronachalam, Pattikonda, Papili. And it touches Gutti and Guntaka, broadly speaking. This is the western part of ErraMala. What are the eastern part of ErraMala important places? Gadivemula and Panyam railway station and Betamcherla, the railway station. Then Banganpalli, princely state, used to be Shia princely state. The Auk, famous for Auk reservoir. Then Uppalapadu and Papili. This is the region. So of course Gutti and Guntaka. So the road that goes via Auk, Kolimigulla, Thadipatri is the demarcation. It has the certain offshoots, that is the Nizam offshoot, Kalamalla offshoot, Kondapuram offshoot. I have not mentioned here. I will show you, and that will be very clear for you once you see the pictures. And I have shown you this, our YouTube channel. So this is again the fascinating map. We can see this is the Nandyal Valley. You can see Nandyal Valley here. Of course, this is the Srisailam reservoir. This is the Almaty reservoir and Krishna. This is Narayanpur reservoir. This is the Hospeta reservoir and Tungabhadra river. This is Somasila reservoir and Penna. This is the Pulikat lake region. This is the famous Kambam Cheru tank built during the Vijayanagara Emperor's time. This is the Nandyal Valley. This is the Nallamala. This is the ErraMala mountain ranges, you can see. Part of RayalaSeema uplands. That means this is the RayalaSeema peneplain, this is the RayalaSeema Plateau, this is the ErraMala hills, these are the Chittoor hilly region. If we expand further, we can see. This is the RayalaSeema upland. Our landmark is Srisailam reservoir here. This is the Hospeta reservoir, Sandur hills. Used to be princely state, Sandur. So this is the, these red lines are the railway lines, railway tracks. The easiest way is the Guntakal junction. So this goes to Dronachalam, this goes to Adoni, eventually to Sholapur and Pune, Bombay, and this goes to Bangalore region, Guntakal. This is the Bellary town, this is the Rayadurgam, this is the Hospet junction. Okay, this is the Renugunda junction, somewhere here, that's the Renugunda junction. So you have to remember this is the Guntakal junction, this is all the ErraMala range. So this is the Nandyal valley, so this is the Giddalu. So this is the Panyam, because the Panyam overlooks, touches the ErraMalas. So this is the Banganpalli princely state, almost opens to the ErraMalas, but it is actually, much of the taluk is in the Nandyal valley. This is the Auk reservoir. This is the railway, road line between the Auk, Kolimigundla, this is the Tadpatri, and the Penna river. This is the major demarcation on this side. You can see this is the Kolimigundla, the Auk, Banganpalli, the Panyam, this is the Gadivemula region. Other side is, this is the Kurnool town. So that's not, so Veldurthi will be somewhere here, Veldurthi, this is the Dronachalam. Veldurthi, Dronachalam is a junction. From Dronachalam we can go to Nandyal. Veldurthi, Kurnool. So Dronachalam, and of course this goes to this the Patikonda region, somewhere here, Patikonda, all this region. So there are three major outliers. This ErraMalas. This is the Tadipatri. This is the Jammalamadugu outliers. You can see from Kolimigundla to this is the Jammalamadugu. Other region you don't see that much is the Nossam. This is the Nossam somewhere here. You can see the Nossam. Other is the Kondapuram to Kommodi. These are all the outliers, means they are not contiguous, but they are sprinkled. Within this is the Kadapa basin, this is in the Nandyal valley. So the three outliers. Now some outliers, Jammalamadugu outliers, Kondapuram, Kommodi outliers. Between the Kondapuram, Kommodi outliers to Jammalamadugu, the railway line goes through. That is the about the, here you can see much more ErraMala ranges here. So this is the ErraMala Nandyala, this is the Banganpalli here. Betamcherla is in the railway station, is in the ErraMala ranges. Orvakallu is also touches ErraMala. Veldurthi, Dronachalam almost goes to the Gutti area. There is a fort in the Gutti also. You can see historical fort of Gutti. And this is the Aluru Holagonda. These are also sprinkled parts of the ErraMala. This comes mostly the peneplain. So this is the ErraMala. This is the Nalamalas. And the three major outliers that are offshoots of this, we talked about this Nossam range. This is the Kolimigundla to Nossam, you can say. And Kolimigundla to almost Jammalamadugu, this is Kalamala actually. This is the Kalamala town here. And Kondapuram to Kommodi. You can see the Kondapuram, Kommodi range. So animal almost. Kondapuram to Kommodi will be somewhere here. Or Uppaluru. So Kondapuram to Uppaluru. So the railway line goes via Muddanuru here, takes advantage of this gap to Tadipatri to Kadapa. So you can see the same thing. This is the Kadapa basin. This is the Nandyal valley. You can see the Nandyal. You can see this is the Panyam somewhere here. This is the Panyam, Betamcherla, Dronachalam, this is the Papili, Pattikunda. So all these regions, the Veldurthi is here. So all these regions surrounded by the These are all the AOK. So this is all the up to Pattikonda. This is the ErraMala range. Some of the offshoots that go up to the Nizam, you can see here. Other offshoots goes to crosses Jamala-Madugu to at a railway station called Kalamala here. Other offshoot from the Kondapuram here goes to Komodi here. So this is one offshoot, other offshoot, other offshoot. You can see that more clearly here. So this the other offshoot. Kalamala will be here close to Muddanur, and the Nizam and Gadikonta, Gundakund. Yeah, that is the Gundlakunta. So you can see the Nandyal Valley. RayalaSeema peneplain, this is the ErraMala, this is the Nallamala ranges. And that's the same thing we are looking here. This is the part, Nandyala, this is the railway line from, you can see the railway line that winds through the ErraMala. It starts with the Panyam here. After Nandyala Panyam goes to Betamcherla, goes to Dronachalam. All this is the ErraMala ranges. Up to the Papili and Pattikonda will be somewhere here. Pattikonda, this region, all this is the ErraMala ranges. This is the Gundlakunda and Nizam branch. This is the Kalamalla near other offshoot. This is the Kondapuram. This is the Parnapalli Reservoir and Chitravati River. This is the Gandikota. This is the Mailavaram Dam. This is the Kondapuram to Komodi area. So that is about the fascinating physiographic region ErraMalas. Mitram and Bandhum, if you like these presentations, please subscribe the channel and bring it to the attention of your friends. And I really appreciate if you take time and put your comments or any suggestions. And see you later in next presentation. That is the 18th part will be Nagari Hills, Nagalapuram Hills, which are sprinkled are parts of the Eastern Ghats.